Hello students, Chapter 5 Coordinate Geometry Section Formula second part, where we will be dealing coordinate of the midpoints of a segment. So a segment, line segment will be given. You have to find its midpoint and so on. Coordinate of midpoint of segment. I am very sure you will be enjoying this lesson like nothing. Let A is point x1 y1 and B is x2 y2 are 2 points and P is a point which is xy is midpoint of the segment AB. Let us draw the diagram. So this is A, x1 y1, this is B and this is the point P which is in between AB. Segment AB is this segment, P is the midpoint. As it is midpoint, distance this is equal to distance this. That means distance AP is equal to distance PB. That means M is equal to N. Therefore, value of X and Y can be written as X is given by the section formula as mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. On substitution, M is equal to N. You get mx2 plus mx1 upon n plus n. Take out m common, it cancels and you get a formula x1 plus x2 upon 2. अब ठंडे दिमाग से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. सेक्शन फॉर्मूला आपका जो है उसको यूज करके आप मिड पॉइंट का एक ऐसा फॉर्मूला निकाल सकते हैं जो कैलकुलेशन में इजी होता है. m जो है n के बराबर है. जब आपने m इज इक्वल टू n सेक्शन फॉर्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो आपको एक नया फॉर्मूला मिलता है. x का कोऑर्डिनेट इज x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y का कोऑर्डिनेट इज y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this is called as midpoint formula. ये फॉर्मूला हमें लाइन सेगमेंट का मिड पॉइंट निकालने में मदद करता है. अब देखते हैं कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ मिड पॉइंट ऑफ सेगमेंट. What type of questions will come? Questions of the type where endpoints will be given and you have to find the midpoint will come to you. What does it mean? आपको x1 y1, x2 y2 ऐसा दिया रहेगा और आपको midpoint निकालना रहेगा x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट दिया रहेगा, यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट दिया रहेगा, ये x1 y1, x2 y2 दिया है, आपको midpoint निकालना है. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. और सेकेंड टाइप के क्वेश्चंस कैसे रहेंगे? Questions of the type where midpoint and one of the endpoint will be given and you have to find the other endpoint. What does it mean? आपको x1 y1 या x2 y2 में से दोनों में से एक वैल्यू दिया रहेगा और मिड पॉइंट दिया रहेगा. आपको दूसरा वैल्यू निकालना रहेगा. यकीन मानिए ये एक्सरसाइज का सबसे आसान और सबसे सिंपल टॉपिक है and you will be eager to solve the numericals as soon as we start solving the exercise. Question number 4. P is a point which is center of the circle. AB is the diameter. Find the coordinate of point B if the coordinate of point A and P are given as follows. This is the question given to you. What you do is draw the diagram. See, once you draw the diagram, things become very clear. Mathematics is not at all abstract. People say it is abstract. I say it is not. Because if you draw, visualize, things become easy for you. Let us see this diagram and try to understand. P is a point which is also center of the circle. So here there is a center of the circle. Diameter is AB. Coordinate of A is 2, 3. Coordinate of P is -2, 0. Let B be x, y. So हम इसको लिख देंगे. Let A be x1 y1, B be x2 y2 and P be xy. It is all up to you how you are writing. Then once you are getting x1 y1, you get x2 y2, try to solve. Once you get that, you will just go on writing the things like P is the midpoint of segment AB by midpoint formula. What does the midpoint formula is saying? x1 plus x2 upon 2. So 2 plus this number upon 2 will be equal to -2. It is all up to you how you write. Done? So substitute 2 plus x2 upon 2, which is equal to minus 2. Start solving. You get the result. Minus 2 into 2 becomes minus 4. 2 plus x2. Once you get this, try to simplify, get the value of x2. x2 is minus 6. Similarly, you go for y. You take the point this, then take this point, add both of them, divide by 2, you are getting 0 because the coordinate of point P is 0. Substitute. Get the result. Once you get the result, you get y is equal to 3. So what you are getting is x2 is minus 6, y2 is 3. Ultimately, you got the result, but you have to write the answer. The coordinate of point B is minus 6 and 3. Next question. Figure again. Find the ratio in which point P, which is K7, divides the line segment joining these 2 points, which is A and B. Also find K. So what we write? As usual, we write A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, P is xy, be the given points. Then you just write the formula. Writing the formula, substitute the values. What are you substituting? In place of m, you are substituting nothing. But y, you know it is 7. So substitute the values accordingly. When you don't know the ratio, you will write m, n. Then afterwards, simplify. Take this mn to this side. Open the bracket. You get 7m plus 7n is equal to 2m plus 9. Start solving. You get ratio m upon n is equal to 2 upon 5. This type of question we have already done. But now, here what is happening is, we have done it like this. You got with x, you got with y the same ratio. Using this, additional is, you don't know the value of k, which is the point x coordinate of point P. What you do is, m is to n is 2 upon 5. Just substitute this in x. mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n. You now know what is m, you now know what is n, you know what is x1, you know what is x2, you don't know what is x. So in place of x, you will substitute k. Start solving. You are getting the result, k is equal to 6. And the result is point P divides segment AB in the ratio 2:5. And the value of k is 6. See, this question has got 2 parts. Many times what happens is, in hurry, we read the question, find the ratio in which it divides, and we leave the question here. But a supplementary question is also there. So always make a habit of reading complete question. Next question, 6th question. Find the coordinate of midpoint of segment joining these 2 points. Now, solution. As usual, you will take x1, x2 as a, x1, y1 as a, x2, y2, substitute the values, compare, and then writing x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, which is 22 plus 0 upon 2, which is equal to 11. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Substitute and get the value. So ultimately what you get is the coordinate of midpoint of the segment joining point A, which is 22 and 20, and 0 and 16 is 11, 8. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.